What's up everybody, this is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to integrate your SendGrid account into your Platform account. What this will allow you to do is send any new members that sign up to your platform right into your SendGrid account and onto a specific list so that you can utilize SendGrid's email automations for remarketing purposes to your members. SendGrid is an email automation tool and CRM. And before we start this video, just as a reminder, if you need any help on integrating your platform account with SendGrid or anything else, you can navigate to your platform account. You can go to Support Hub and you can chat with us live, or you can submit a ticket, or you can glance through all of our frequently asked questions and get specific answers. Or if you want to go more in depth, you can click the Help Docs link at the top here of the Support Hub, and that will take you to our Platform Help Center knowledge base, and you can click on Help Docs, and there'll be different documentation in here specifically on how to use all of these features. So let's get started integrating your account. To make this work, you are going to need a SendGrid account. So moving forward in this video, I'm going to be assuming that you already have a SendGrid email account. If you don't have a SendGrid account, you can go to sendgrid.com and sign up for a free trial to test it out. So the first thing you're going to want to do is sign in to your SendGrid account by clicking the sign in link at the top here. Once in your SendGrid account, you can go down to marketing and you can see under contacts, I have a specific list. The specific list I want to send members to is this one that I created here that says members. Right now there's 0 count of subscribers inside of it. We're going to add a member right now after we integrate. From our platform account, starting at the dashboard, what we're going to want to do is scroll down to App Settings, click App Settings, go over to Marketing, click Marketing, and then we are going to scroll through until we get SendGrid. We're going to click SendGrid. And you can see here, Platform is asking for the SendGrid API key. So I'm going to go back over to my SendGrid account and I'm going to grab my API key. From my SendGrid dashboard, I'm going to scroll down to Settings and I'm going to click API keys. And then I'm going to create a new API key by clicking this button up here at the top right hand corner. It says Create API Key. I'm going to name my API key. So I'm going to call this Platform API. And I'm going to allow full access and I'm going to click Create and View. Here is our API key that we just created. So I'm going to copy this. As you can see, it's copied. If I just click in it, it's copied to my clipboard. And then I'm going to click Done. Here's my API key then in a list that I can reference it back if I need to. So now that I have that API key copied, I'm going to go back to Platform and I'm going to paste in the API key by hitting Control V, and then I'm going to click Save. And now a drop-down menu appeared and I can click that and I can see my list for SendGrid members is here. So I'm going to click Members and I'm going to click Save. And now we are fully integrated with SendGrid, and we should be able to send new members that sign up to this SendGrid list called members. Like with any integration, we always want to test this integration before we consider it complete. So I'm going to go back to members. And what we're going to do is we're going to add Alex to our member list here. So we're going to add a member. Alex Cobb, and we're going to give him a password and we're going to click Save. And when I click Save, this should add Alex as a member and it should import his contact information into SendGrid. So now Alex is created as a member inside of Platform. So let's go back over to SendGrid and see if he is on the members list in SendGrid. Now I'm inside my contacts list inside of SendGrid and I refresh this list count and you can see there's one in here. If I click into members, there's Alex Cobb and he was added on the date that we made this video. So it looks like the integration between Platform and SendGrid is complete. Now we can continue with full confidence that our integration is good to go, and that is how easy it is to integrate SendGrid with Platform. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us on support, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.